Compatible kaya tayo?
Yes.
You think we're compatible?
Yes.
Okay. Liar. You liar. Liar po.
No.
Why? Why did you say yes?
Well, basically, I've known Kath naman din for quite some time now. I already know what she wants, how she sees her life. One thing we have in common is we're both good people with a good heart, with good intentions for other people as well. So I think dun kami nagkakasundo and at
Sa
the same time
values.
sa values na meron kami sa mga buhay namin. So I think ito talaga yung may problema, yung machine. But yeah, pero sa shot ako, if love were to come in your life right now, would you say hello or goodbye to it?
Hello. Always. Huwag kang makuryente.
Di ba? Di ba? May problema yung ano?
Hindi.
Hello talaga.
Maniwala kayo.
I think hello talaga.
Kung may ma-offer sa yung love, whether it's from a boy or your friends, from your family,
Always hello.
always say hello and